Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use Walking Yoga weight loss app. So, you might be wondering, what is Walking Yoga here? So, Walking Yoga is a fitness and wellness app that combines walking workouts, gentle yoga, breathing exercises, and mindfulness into a personalized program. According to the official website, it is designed to help users with weight management, flexibility, mobility, and stress reduction, and building healthy daily habits. Now, the app also includes meal plans, guided meditation, step tracking, and water tracking, and daily wellness challenges. According to the developer here, the app works by first asking you to complete a short onboarding quiz about your fitness level, goals, lifestyle, and daily routine. Based on your answers, it creates a personalized plan that combines walking sessions, yoga routines, mindfulness exercises, and nutrition guidance. As you continue using the app, it tracks your progress and helps you build consistent habits over time. Now, to use walking yoga here, you first need to download the app on your Android or iPhone and create an account and complete the initial questionnaire. After setup, your personalized plan will appear under the My Plan section and follow the recommended walking and yoga sessions. Record your daily activity, track your steps, water intake, and weight, and complete the suggested wellness challenges. Now, the app also includes guided meditation sessions, meal planning tools to support your overall routine. The official website here states that the app offers beginner-friendly workouts, sessions starting at around 15 minutes, customizable plans, no equipment required, and subscription-based access. Pricing varies depending on the plan and promotion available at the time of purchase. And that's about it. So that's essentially how Walking Path works and what it is. Now, if you're interested with this platform or this app here, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision. But that's about it. Find this video, avoid the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.